Good morning, team. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. After today, we have 2 more days left of school. During this last week of school, we're going to practice some scientific skills. If you haven't completed your Hello Morning survey, please pause and go take care of that now. Remember, this is really important and we use it to track attendance, so please go take care of that now. Thanks, team. For today's science lesson, we are going to focus on the skill of problem solving. So our objective for today, we're going to solve digital puzzles to practice problem solving skills. So the first question we're going to ask ourselves is, how do we use problem solving skills in science? The world of science is one of constant problems. Scientists have to be able to figure out how to adapt to these problems, think creatively, and work collaboratively, that means together, on implementing or figuring out a solution. Today, we're going to sharpen our problem-solving skills through a series of puzzles. So let's check out our puzzles together. In Google Classroom, you have a post that says digital puzzles that looks exactly like this. So we're going to go through each type of puzzle and show you how to solve it. So the first type of puzzle, you're going to click right here. It says rebus puzzles. A rebus puzzle is, we've actually done these in science before, but each puzzle represents a common phrase, item, or place. When you have the correct answer, the answer is going to turn green. So let's take a look at this one right here. So here I have the word wishing, and then I have a picture of a star. So I want to try to think of, what's a phrase or a common thing that could be represented by this picture? So I'm thinking of something that people say that says wishing on a star, because the word wishing is on top of the star. So I'm going to see if that's the correct answer. And it is, because it turned green. Now, I want you to remember that don't capitalize anything in here. Even if you have a capital letter, it might not count it as correct. Let's do one more together. Here I have a picture of a number 1, and it looks like there's a circle in the middle. So I want to think, what is something that could represent a circle in the middle of something, maybe a hole? So there is a term in golf where people say hole in one, and that is the correct answer as well. Now let's go down to picture equations. In picture equations, you have different pictures, and you're going to subtract certain letters to decode the puzzle. So let's take a check out this one right here. Here I have the word pig. Pig is spelled P-I-G, but I'm going to take away the G. So I'm just going to put P-I here. Then I have, this looks like a thunderstorm or maybe rain. So I'm going to say rain, but I'm not going to do the I-N. I'm going to take that away. So I'm going to be left with R-I. And here I have a tent, which is T-E-N-T, but I'm going to take away the N-T on the end. So I have the word pirate is what I'm going to be left with, okay? This you might need a piece of paper to help you solve. Next, I have a word change puzzle. So to solve each puzzle, you need to change only one letter from the previous answer in each puzzle, and the correct answer is going to turn green. So here I have, let's do this first example together. A wind-catching apparatus is a sail. So a sail is something on a boat that catches the wind. Now I need to change one letter out of here to match the next clue. So the next clue says doesn't arrive on Sunday. So if I can think of one thing, I need to change one letter. Let's see. Let's see if I use my L. S-A-I. I can't really think of any words that I can change S-A-I into. that would match this description. Let's start at the front then. Doesn't arrive on Sunday. Mail. Good. So I changed the S to an M and got the right answer of mail. Now, in the next one, I'm going to have to change one letter from this word now to match this clue. So has a variety of stores. I have M-A-I-L. What's something, team, that has a variety of stores that has almost all of these letters, but one of them is different? I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Go ahead and type your answer in there. Perfect. Mall. So mall has a variety of stores. I changed the I to an L. Next, used in most sports. Now I can change one letter from this word to match something that is used in most sports. When I think of sports, I think of a ball. And now we have lacking hair. I need to take the word ball and change one letter to mean lacking hair. And I think of bald. So this one is done. Great job. Finally, we have a photo detective. So we're going to spot the differences to help you unscramble the words. Correct answers turn green. So here there are differences in these pictures and the differences are in these words. So let's look at one of the differences that we can spot between these two pictures. So, ooh, I see one. Over here there are two gashes in this bark and there is only one over here. So let's go down to our things. Oh, here it is, bark. That's one of the differences. So you're going to find the rest. So for your independent practice today, when I say go, you're going to open that problem solving puzzles classwork on this post. You're going to use the clues to complete the questions. Correct answers will turn green, remember. Then you're going to turn it in Google Classroom. When you're done, there is an 8th grade science reflection Google form that I would like for you to fill out. So this asks you a few questions about 8th grade science, and I would like for you to please be as honest and detailed as possible. Ms. E is not going to take your answers personally. If there's something that we can change to make 8th grade science even better next year, I really, really want to do that. So after you have completed your independent practice, then you're going to complete the 8th grade science reflections Google form. If you have any questions, please send me an email or give me a call or text. I miss you all so much. Have a great day, team.